Welcome to Shilin Night Market here in Taiwan. Look, a variety of foods. It's literally a night market. Wow, so delicious to watch. Look, so many stalls. It's legal here only at night. Look at the beautiful building besides. And here, so many foods. Wow, orange juice. Oh. Cube beef. It's a cube beef. But we are still about 100 meters from the main night market of Shilin. But look, I saw many Pinays and Pinoys here last night and this morning at Kang Shai-kek Memorial. Wow, poodle. Hello. Wow, walking in the night. Yes, as you can see. There's so many building at the left side and the right side. No traffic at this hour, unlike in Manila. In Metro Manila particularly, so much traffic in our town, in our country. But here, since Sunday, no traffic in every major roads. I saw. Yeah. So this is the construction site. One night is finished already. Look. Okay. This is one of the best of Taiwan. We are now in one part of Taipei in Shilin Night Market. You can see. Oh yeah, nearby sa Sunny Bank. It's already crossed, of course. It's night. Oh, Sunny Bank also. Wow, it's very big. Maybe they own the entire building. Oh, that's the ATM. So many motorcycles on the other side of the road, as we can see. Yeah. Look, start of the Shilin Night Market, as we can see as we walk. Okay.
Yan yung sausage, oh.
In Philippines, kabayan.
Yeah, sama.
Mga kabayan. Ayan na, oh. Ayan. Wow, it's the night market. Look, we can go inside. Ayan. Ayan na. Si Bravo. Let's meet Bravo. Yeah. Meet Bravo. Yeah. Inside the night market of Shilin Night Market. So many products. So many products to buy. So many retailer. Yeah, this is it. But first, we should eat first. If we wanna find, oh, over there, oh. Ayun, parang restaurant, no? Ayun naman mga upuan, Romo. This restaurant over there. Oh, milk tea. Milk tea is very popular in Taiwan. I've been here for 3 days. We always have milk tea after our meal. After our meal, especially. Yes, you can see. Oh, sizzling plate. Wow, hot dogs. So you can see. Egg pancakes. See here. Some kind of ramen, soup. Let's see. Oh, puppet. Yeah, this is on my right side is the Shilin Night Market. As you can see, I am in the streets to find foods. Look. Oh, panda. Panda. Yeah, warm up games. Oh, super cheap. 60 only, 80. 80 Thailand dollars. Oh. It's dark here in this alley, but you can see the road. Yeah, we will go I think at the back of the Shilin Night Market. A big tall building here. Lots of motorcycle parked besides the road. Yes. It's very long. The Shilin Night Market. As you can see, there's a lot of Filipino here. Oh. Roast beef. Oh, there's a roast beef here. Yes. Oh, milk tea again. Oh, I love it. Squid. 170 big size. Oh, there's many plenty food street here. We have to eat standing. Oh, see the foods. Oh. Oh. Fried quail eggs, I think. I love squid, grilled squid. Very popular here. The grilled squid. Michelin guide, wow, I hate noodles. Black. I'm black. So many people. French fries, different French fries. Wow. It's delicious. Fruits. Is that avocado? What is that? Taiwanese popcorn ribs. What's that? Wow. There is so many people here. You love this place. I love this place. So many food. Ah, this is a Merrell. Merrell shop shoes. Momentum. Right? Many shoes. Many food. And now, the Merrell shoe. Oh, again. Food street again. Look. Very big guava. Angus beef stall. Yeah, 7-Eleven, you can see. Wow, sugar cane juice. Oh, 50 only, the sugar cane juice. Oh, that's a mini sausages. Hey, hi, tin noodles.
Ano, kanya na. Order mo din naman pagkain.
Okay,
Dito
okay.
kami.
Ito, nakaupo.
Sige, kasi hindi lahat ng kainan dito nag-offer ng set down. Pwede dyan kung gusto nyo.
Now, I choose this place, Ahe Tin Noodles. I see 2 branches here today. See? Wow. I'd like that.
Gusto mo yan, Eric?
Yes. Yung squid.
Ito kami.
Matod ko yung chikikit na.
So this is the price. Yes, squid noodle soup 120. Ah, okay. This is the menu.
Oyster and big intestine, squid noodle soup, big intestine, oyster with 2 noodles. There's some meal, mixed noodles.
Squid noodle soup.
Number ano?
Yeah, the second one. The next one, yeah, that's it. Check, yes. Okay, another one. Oh, there is no waiter here. You just order like in Japan. You just click your order and pay it in the machine. And then present the ticket. That's it.
Asa yung check out nito?
This is the total, 240. Press that. Oh, put 240.
Wala tayong pera. Ano 240 mo?
Put 240.
Wala tayong change. May change kaya to?
No, of course.
Saan ito?
There. Yan, okay.
Ride mo, oy.
Ayan, get the change. $18.